So Christmas in Jamaica, what is it like? Well, it's mostly about family and food. On Christmas Day, we usually spend the day together with our family. And our day is usually centered around an elaborate meal, big meal with lots of food. The meal has two important parts. One is the ham. We usually bake or roast a delicious ham. It's usually pretty big, and usually you cook it in the oven for maybe 10 or 12 hours. It's delicious. And usually we eat that for like days after Christmas, maybe a week. The second important part of that meal is the Christmas cake. Or actually it's quite dense. It's a pudding, but we call it Christmas cake. It's a fruit cake and it's very rich. Like it has prunes and raisins and cherries, and it's soaked in rum and wine. It's very good. My mom's Christmas cake is the best Christmas cake in the world. So our day is centered around being with family and eating that food. Usually we'll have our Christmas meal. Well, we'll come together maybe about mid-morning, and then we'll, all the cooking will be going on, and then we'll start our Christmas dinner at around 2 o'clock, and then we eat for the rest of the day and hang out together, watch Christmas movies, chat, and just like be together. The next day after Christmas, the December 26th, it's Boxing Day, and that's actually also a holiday in Jamaica. That's the day when we usually visit friends. It's a very kind of relaxed day, so we don't do a lot, but we'll like visit friends, drop in at each other's houses and stuff like that. Giving gifts is also an important part of Christmas. Usually, you buy gifts for friends and family. Even at the office where you work, we may have like Christmas gift exchanges and stuff like that. So yeah, Christmas really in Jamaica is it's a time for being with the people you love and eating a lot of food. It's a lot of food. So yeah, Christmas in Jamaica is pretty nice. It's very hot, but it's pretty nice. All right, so that's all there is to Christmas in Jamaica. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and an amazing New Year.
Hello, my name is James and I'm going to tell you about how we celebrate Christmas in Great Britain. On the 24th of December, which is Christmas Eve, we usually go to church to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, and then we go home to hang up our stockings. Stockings are long socks, and we hang them up and we go to bed, and during the night Santa Claus comes and he puts presents into the long stockings. We also call him Father Christmas. Then in the morning when we wake up early, we run to our stockings to find out what Santa Claus has put in them. And we take them out and we eat the chocolate, and then we have breakfast with our family in the morning. After breakfast we run to the Christmas tree, and under the Christmas tree there are usually a lot of presents, and we give each other the presents and we open the presents and we hang out and have fun. Then for lunch we usually eat some roast chicken, turkey with the family, and then after lunch we open some more presents and hang out and play games. Then in the evening we go to bed early because it's such a long day. Then on December 26th, which is called Boxing Day, we usually go for a walk in the countryside or by the ocean with the forest with our friends. And after a walk we go to the pub for a glass of wine or a glass of beer and hang out with our friends. And then after the pub in the afternoon we usually go home and watch a film on TV, because the films on TV are always amazing at Christmas. And that's usually what we do at Christmas in the UK. I hope you have a great Christmas here too. See you later.
Hello, my name's Sarah and I'm from Belfast in Northern Ireland. In Ireland, Christmas is a much bigger celebration than New Year, and it's a family celebration. And we start getting ready for Christmas even before the beginning of December. children write letters to Santa Claus, telling him what presents they would like to get. And families write hundreds of Christmas cards. It's still very popular to write physical Christmas cards and send them to all your friends and relatives and everybody that you know. December is the period of Advent, when we start thinking about the coming of Jesus Christ. And we often go to carol concerts. These are in churches and we sing special traditional religious songs. There's really a wonderful atmosphere in all of these concerts. Sometimes they are by candlelight and they're really a very special moment. On December 24th, which is Christmas Eve, children hang up their stockings for Santa to put the presents in, and they maybe leave milk for Santa to drink and maybe a carrot for one of his reindeers to eat. On maybe at midnight, the family will go to church, and that's a really wonderful time when you come out of the church service at midnight and everybody is saying Merry Christmas because it's already Christmas morning. On Christmas Day, usually the family will come around and there'll be a big family meal. In my family, we're quite traditional. We always have turkey, roast potatoes, Brussels sprouts, all the traditional foods. There's always more food than you can possibly eat. And for dessert, we have Christmas pudding, of course, and the traditional dessert trifle. Also on the Christmas table, we have a thing called a cracker, and this is a really fun toy. There's one for everybody, and you pull it with a partner and it explodes, and when you open it, inside everyone there's a small toy and a joke and a paper hat. And for me, that's one of the best moments of Christmas and one of the funniest moments of spending time with the family.
的啦，所以今明年的乌套呀，一则给大家。Сегодня я расскажу о китайском Новом годе. Китайский Новый год это праздник весны. Праздник весны принято отмечать дома всей семьей. В накануне Нового года все дома тщательно убираются, а на двери вывешивается красное с золотым изображение иероглифу «Фу». Это значит счастье и благосостояние. И вместе лепить пельмени всей семьей студентов. Это неотъемлемая традиция. Один из пельменей кладут монетку. Год будет особенно удачным для того, кому достанется этот сюрприз. В Китае, я думаю, Дед Мороз это родители и дедушка и бабушка. Типичный подарок на Новый год это хумбо, поэтому часто получил хумбо из родственника. Это красный конверт с деньгами. Можно купить того, что ты хочешь купить, поэтому получить это очень рада. Вообще, Новый год в Китае это красного цвета. Это для китайцев это счастливый цвет. Спасибо за внимание.